Laynie and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, oh my goodness, hi! And if you're returning, thank you so much. It means the world to me. If you haven't joined the fam, click the subscribe button. Join, you will not regret it, especially if you love beauty content, fragrance content, and lifestyle content. Today we are going to dive into something that it has been a little bit since I have done. We're going to talk about upcoming and new makeup launches. So if you want to hear my thoughts, then just keep watching. If I sound nasally, I do apologize. We were all sick in my household last week and the congestion is just not willing to go away. Not my favorite. So if you've never seen me do these before, I use the TrendMood Instagram to get all the deets on upcoming and new makeup launches. It's the best page ever. So I will put the handle down below so you guys can follow her. She seriously gets all the information. It's so awesome. One reason I haven't done this lately is because honestly, has anyone felt a little bit not impressed by new makeup lately? I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Like, I still love playing with makeup. Like, it is still my thing that just makes me feel good, makes me feel like myself. But new makeup launches have just been a little lackluster in my opinion. So anyways, let's dive right on in. The first thing I am seeing here is by Louise. Now I do use their eye base. I didn't know they did eyeshadow, honestly. It looks like they are coming out with a green eyeshadow palette. I truly don't need that at all, only because I have an entire green eyeshadow. I had a green moment, you guys, where I made a whole green eyeshadow palette by a company I can't think of, and it doesn't matter because it closed. Coastal Scents. And the colors do look really pretty. I mean, there's all shades of green in here. I love the really vibrant pop of neon green. So pretty. And the metallics look really nice. I bet the quality is really nice. I like their eye base. But it is $59 for the big one. And that's a little pricey in my opinion. And again, I don't need a huge green palette. Honestly, I don't see that being a huge hit, if I'm being honest. Just because it really does limit your options. Like, my green palette is fun to play with, but do I reach for it all the time? No, because I'm not going to wear green eyeshadow every single day. Next up, one that did catch my eye that I thought was really pretty is the Serenity palette by Cosmic Brushes. I've never heard of this company in my life. Palette, I don't know if this is just a UK thing because it's not in the US dollar on TrendMood, but I must say the colors look stunning. I really like the color combo in here. If you like playing with color, this looks like fun. I love the bright green. I love the neon purple. You don't see that a lot. I love the bright peachy orange shade, and then the pastel blue and lavender at the bottom. Oh my goodness. And then those duochrome shades look so pretty. Like, this is one I actually would be interested in, and the black looks super black, which is great. And the actual, oh, there's that gnat. There's a gnat in here. It's driving me crazy. I love that marbly effect. And then the colors. Okay, this one, like, I'm gonna have to check out. I would actually be curious in this one. Then scrolling down, one thing I saw that I usually don't post negative comments on things. Like, I really try to keep negativity to myself, but I had to say something. There's a collab with Winky Lux and Applebee's. You heard me right, Applebee's. And they're doing saucy lip glosses in the flavors Get Me Hot Buffalo, Sweet Chili Kiss, Be My Honey Pepper, and Honey Barbecue. I commented, gross. I couldn't help it. And this is from someone, like, I love a good barbecue, okay? Do not get it twisted. I'm from the Midwest. We love barbecue, but not in my lip gloss. That is nasty in my opinion. No, thank you. No. And they're $18. Like, what? Beauty Bakerie is coming out with matte lipsticks. They look really pretty. Like, they look cute. The colors look nice, but I am not a matte gal, you guys. Like, I tried buying a matte lipstick recently. As soon as I put it on my lips, I was like, oh, why did I do this? I don't like how mattes feel on me. My lips are too dry. Like, I'm a big comfort person. Like, I want things that look pretty, but I have to be comfortable. If I'm not comfortable, I can't look past it. There is another gnat in here. Son of a gun. So mattes are not for me. Like, this kind of formula, like a cream, like a soft cream. It doesn't have to be glossy, but it's just gotta feel good on my lips, and mattes don't do it for me. ColourPop is coming out with a Rainbow Mattes palette. The colors look nice, but honestly, this doesn't do anything for me either. The idea of all mattes, not something I would reach for a lot. Like, I need mattes in my palettes because they help create the full look. Like, I almost always use a matte. Actually, today I didn't. That's shocking. But I almost always reach for mattes. But a whole matte palette? Yeah, no. And then the next one I see is a Jaclyn Cosmetics launch. And again, I don't like to be super negative, but this one does nothing for me. And I do feel bad even saying this because I feel like she's getting so much heat in the comment section. I feel like she gets a lot of heat all the time. I actually did recently pick up the lip oil by Jaclyn Cosmetics. I actually love it. Honestly, love this formula. So I'm coming at this with an open mind, but realistically, I just feel like this launch feels a little odd to me. And maybe it's just because of the phase I'm in with makeup and mommyhood. It just seems like it wouldn't be my go-to grab. It doesn't seem like it has enough options in there for me where I would be like, I have to have this palette. It doesn't really do something that's different for me that catches my eye. Also, someone in the comments say something about there should have been a blush with this, and I actually really agree. Like, I feel like what would have taken this up a notch is maybe like a 2 blush option to match up with it. I don't know. I think the reason why this doesn't feel amazing to me personally is when I see it, it kind of reminds me of something ColourPop would do. But her price ranges are not, there with ColourPop. So I guess for the price range, it just doesn't feel luxe enough or just giving me enough. I hope that makes sense. I must say, Cosmetics really has never totally made me go, ooh, I need that. I did think the liquid blushes looked really nice. I think the reason is because I'm not really a no makeup kind of person. Like, I'm gonna wear makeup, it's gonna look like I'm wearing makeup, and I feel like Cosmetics kind of gives me Glossier vibes, very just I woke up like this, and that's just not my style. So her stuff just usually doesn't speak to me. The glosses look nice, the color range is nice if you're into really neutral lips. Nothing wrong with it, and it's $22, so not cheap but not break the bank. Jaclyn Lights is coming out with a nude range for her nail polish line. I bought her nail polish back when she was still under whatever that last one was. I'm blanking. I can't remember. This is Lights Laquer now. She had to change the name. I think the range is beautiful, and I love the idea of a nude nail. I do love it, but I just don't wear nail polish ever anymore. I stopped getting my nails done when I had my daughter for budget reasons. It's expensive. And right now I've been really good about taking my vitamins every day, and my nails are just in a healthy spot. They're stronger, and I prefer a no nail polish to a chipped nail polish. And with my schedule right now between taking care of my little girl and work and everything going on, my nails would be just chipped nail polish. So I don't wear any nail polish, but I do really appreciate a good nude nail polish, and I love that it goes from light all the way to deep. Now, one thing, I just watched the launch video and I saw this and I got a little bit excited. Ilmakiage and Jaclyn Lights paired up. I've never used any of their products, so I don't know anything about them, but I do see they get really good reviews. There was something about this palette that kind of spoke to me. I really love the idea that it is a pigment palette and that it is eyeshadow toppers, because I do love things like that. I actually went crazy back when she made her toppers with ColourPop, bought way too many, and when they're loose like that, I don't find myself reaching for them. So I love the idea of a pressed pigment and eyeshadow topper. The purpley color in here looks absolutely stunning. It's one of those things that I almost want to buy it because I love Jaclyn, but then at the same time I'm nervous that it is something I would buy and then not really reach for very often. It's just hard for me to tell from what I've seen so far. I must say, I thought the theme behind it was a little weird, and I love Jaclyn, so please don't come for me, Jaclyn fans. I love her. I've watched her channel for years. She's one of my favorites, but I don't know. I guess maybe I'm just being a sourpuss because 70s music is actually some of my least favorite music. 70s and 80s, I think, were terrible times in music. I'm sorry. I come from a unique spot, okay? I was raised by a dad who was much older than everyone else's parents. So for me, the golden years of music is 50s and 60s. I'm talking like the Righteous Brothers, Fats Domino, Little Richard, Elvis Presley, Aretha Franklin. Like, those are the golden years for me, okay? Like, I was just rocking out to Little Richard, Fats Domino, and Aretha yesterday. Like, love it. Like, that for me, I'm like, oh, I love it. 70s, 80s, not my thing. So I personally don't love that. I do think the actual palette is cute. I love the rose gold. I love the idea that you can like put your own stickers to decorate it how you want. I think that's super cute, super unique idea. I think maybe for me, the vibe of it is just a little young, a little immature for where I'm at in life, and maybe that's part of it, but I actually may pick up this palette. The last one I'm going to mention is the JLO Body. I feel like this video is very negative. I'm sorry. I'm like over celebrity products. Is it just me? I feel like I'm not alone because I read a lot of comments alike. People saying, do we need another celebrity skincare line? Do we need another celebrity cosmetics brand? I'm just kind of over the celebrity thing. So her products might be amazing. I mean, JLo's doing something right. She looks literally superhumanly incredible. She's gorgeous. But I'm just over the celebrity thing. Alright guys, that is my quick little rundown of some current things going on in the beauty industry. Let me know your thoughts down below. I always love hearing from you guys. And that is all for today. I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.